last second exit up there. Red light runner.
Oh, fucking mad! You just call him a cunt.
Yep.
Cunt trumps all the bullshit they did to start the argument. Now it's not about that.
Douchebag.
To call me a cunt.
McConnell is certainly a Trump-associated senator in many ways. Number two, McConnell is not actually that popular. McConnell's net approval is minus 13, meaning 13.
Which paragraph you're referring to?
Top of page 2.
2.
Volume 1.
And
Looks like he's primed and ready to do the mass hole left. Even though he's from Jersey, my home state. Yeah, there he goes.
Walking around the house. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I did. Turned it all the way up, and I just, my whole plan was just to walk by her like I didn't even know her.
You can handle the phone. You can handle the car a lot better if you're not on your phone. Oh, that guy went straight from a left turn lane. I wonder if that got on camera. No one knows what the fuck they're doing here. What else is in here? The traffic on the left does not stop. The traffic on the left does not stop. The traffic on the left does not stop. Come on. But I'm just going to go anyway. Let's see how this big group of cars. Let's see how well this goes. Yeah, Honda. The Honda had a stop sign. Well, there's a big group of cars on the right. Just go! Go! Yeah, it took you guys long enough.
Hyde Amendment is a real problem for women living in poverty.
Wait, what?
Women of color.
Red light runner, that truck way up there. There's a sign right there that says do not drive on shoulder. And that's a do not enter as well. Oh! Red light runner. And then black. Ones you won't remember. Red light runner. $1.16. Where'd that come from? I think that was red light run too. Because that light's red. Oh, in front of that guy. Last second exit.
Think I'm mayonnaise? Goddamn. Shit, I'm so goddamn clean, got me feeling like I'm Billy Mays. Mister Clean. Baby, why you flow so mean? Mister
Oh!
Clean. Pull up with my whole damn team. Mister.
Oh! 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 the hell?
If I go into this thing called Google and I Google search for
Wow, that's bad red light run. What? Go!
Regulators. Up his property. We're damn
The light's green!
But you can't be any geek off the...
The light's green! Go! Took them long enough. Mass hole left. Yeah. Mass hole left. Betting that we're in the mass hole state. That will be a mess hole left. That bus went right through that stop sign. Red light runner.
2551. You can also tweet us at WAMC Vox Pop or email us at VoxPop.
Whoa, well, why are you on the wrong side of the road with traffic oncoming? What the hell? Whoa.
A wall since his maiden speech coming down that escalator describing
Red light runner, that left turn guy.
And criminals.
That's ballsy. Really? Of course you're going to do that. Really? What? What the fuck? Alright, this could have been planned about our guys. Wait, did the guy just go straight from the left turn lane?
About kind of different approaches to solving violence. And instead of...
Yeah, just blow right by the stop sign over there.
Describes itself as
Well,
an
sit at
online
green.
and offline community of meditators who
Yep, last second exit from the center lane. Stupefy. And also that white truck, I think, too. Okay, should I ding them for not using a turn signal? I would say yes. That was red light run up there. Wow, right in front of that truck too. Hi, people. It's not that hard to merge over. I know the area's small, but come on.
Your reaction, going limp. The second a woman says she's not into it, I mean, that's what a normal a guy does. You're not into this? Forget it.
Go.
Then it just gets weird. No.
That was red. Red light runner. Come on.
Russian individuals at Trump Tower in June of 2016.
According to your report, Mr. Trump Jr. was the only Trump associate who participated in that
Matt
meeting
Soul left.
and who declined to be voluntarily interviewed
Raymond.
by you. In June of 2017 was shown emails that set up the Trump Tower meeting, and she told your office
Wow.
that she was, quote, shocked by the